Hello, I'm Naomi. Welcome to my channel. In this channel, I'll show you how to make websites without writing code, mostly using WordPress. And this is the fifth YouTube Live of WordPress Basics series. And today, I'll show you how to start using Elementor, which is used by so many websites exist in the world. And it's becoming kind of the standard of this, website development using WordPress. Yes, and I know this is my, I guess fifth YouTube Live, but I think I'll stop the YouTube Live and start actually making videos and, shoot a video, edit them, and post it. I think it's probably better than this format because I don't know. I don't know if I'm doing a good job. And like today, probably nobody's watching this now, so it's kind of pointless to be on a YouTube Live. But I thought it was a good start. Just start something because I didn't have too much time to make videos. Yeah. And the last YouTube Live, I was a bit not there. I was kind of depressed because of this ongoing war between Russia and Ukraine. But today I'm more excited because the Elementor is something that I've been teaching people for a long time, but I've been teaching Japanese people. So yeah, let's start checking like what Elementor is. So elementor.com, if you go here, or in the description there's a link for that with my affiliate link. Anyway, Elementor itself is free. This is just a pro version. But if you see here, like it shows like how easily you can make websites, edit things. Of course, things don't go that smoothly sometimes, but yeah. And there is some information about Elementor. If you go down, I thought some stats here. Yeah, more than 10 million websites are using Elementor now. And yeah, it's open source. You can see the code. It is Elementor Pro too, but today I think we can just, I'm going to just talk about the Elementor. Yeah, if you go choose your plan, there are many options. And Pro is great. Pro is worth getting it, but normal version is already amazing. So I'll show you. So this is the site we've been working on, my first website, right? That's my first website. So you search for Elementor. Okay, go back to plugins. There's already Elementor here. And if you go to other new, I already have it installed, but if you search Elementor, it's here. So install this. My case is, I guess, updating it. Last update was 14 minutes ago. Wow, I hope this update doesn't mess up what I'm trying to do here. Anyway, so now you have Elementor activated. Right? I have AstroObject, I deactivated. So I just have Elementor activated. And I think I showed you Elementor in the different video just for a little bit. So basically, if you want to make a page, right? Actually, I already created my new Elementor page. So let's create a new one. My second Elementor page. Okay. And here is a thing that it is a template. It is default template. Choose Elementor canvas. This will allow you to use Elementor entire page without any other elements, which makes things easier. So edit with Elementor. See, now it starts like this. Okay, wait, maybe someone, yep. All right, so now here's Elementor. First thing you want to do here is to create columns. But there's a kind of scary news that they might change it. they might change the way how it works. I mean, mostly this choosing column part not gonna change. But yeah, eventually this whole system will be a slightly bit different. But for now, understanding this will help you to, still guide you to understand this new one. So let's say you want 2 columns here. So you choose 2, and now here's like left and right. And Elementor consists of 3 major things. One is this section here. Then these columns. If you click it, you see the edit columns. Here, if you click it, it says edit section. And like this. Then you click this button here. This always goes back to this list of widgets. In the Pro version, you cannot use it, so you can close it. But then you can start putting like headings here, right? And you can put more headings here. Then you can put the image here. I don't remember, do we have any images? No, we don't. Maybe it's okay, right? Or you can move it to this way, like this. It's really easy to do. And if you have like some other section, you press this, it goes top, right? And you press the single section here, headings here. But let's say you want to press this, it goes to center like this. And also, you click section and go to style, there's a background. So you can have this classic background, maybe something dark like this. You can have something like that. Of course, I'm not gonna go too detailed. This is something I think you can, probably more than half of the part you can figure out by yourself if you start spraying it. Like section, and you go to advanced, there's a margin. So what is margin? So you put the margin 100. So now there's 100 pixel here and 100 pixel here. It's a px. And there's other things, em, percent, rem, don't worry about it. This part, just use a pixel. That's the simplest thing. Once you get used to it, maybe you can start using something else as well. Yeah, also you can just drag this itself and you can move to the bottom if you want to. See, it's easy. It's really easy to move around things. And if you get lost in where things are, you can always press this, the second icon from the left at this bottom menu here. You click it, it's a navigator. And navigator shows section, there's a column and heading, right? And you can actually name it, this one, like hero, well, that's Japanese. Like hero section. So now you can see it. Oh, I'm working on hero here. So yeah, you can do that. Or you want to see how, how does this look in my phone? You can click this responsive mode. It's a 4th icon. Then these 3 icons pops up and you can click like mobile. And now like becomes like this. So you can see how it should look like when you check this site with your phone. There's a more way to add, like you can add more different versions, but for now, don't worry about it. You can try, but yeah. Also, so now there's stuff like this, right? And you might be thinking like, well, but it looks like it's kind of hard. I don't know the design, which is me. I don't know much about design. Then what you can do is to use this button on the right, this icon. Then there's many already pre-built pages. And here's a, it kind of sucks if you're just using this regular version, because this design, it's limited basically. You cannot use this one with the icon with Pro. These are all just for Pro, so. But let's say you want to use this one. You can just press insert. Okay, I think you still need to create an Elementor account. Let's press this then. Oh, I guess I'm allowed to use this. Yeah, I have an account with this email address. So if not, I think it takes you to a location that you have to create an account. I'm not gonna become a super contributor. You say connect. Do you want to also import the document settings of the template? Yeah, why not? So now, this part still remains, right? Then here, you see a site like this with so many different widgets that's already being used. So I know, like, when I showed you this list of widgets, it was a little bit overwhelming, isn't it? Because there's so many of them, right? But these examples show you like how to use them, how to change it. I don't even know what this is. Yeah, so you can try loading more, or also you think that was a mistake, you can always press like Control Z if you're using Windows. If you're using Mac, it's Command Z, right? So you disappears, and that's where this history is. History records everything, all of your actions. But watch out, if you close this, you're gonna lose it. There's gonna be revisions, which is more big chunk that it's stored when you press save draft. Then there's revisions now. Okay. So every time you save, there's gonna be revisions. But these small changes will disappear if you refresh this page. So watch out. But what I mean is, like, you can just like go here, see it to the top, then you can just keep using it this way. I mean, go back and just start working from this point. So you can do that. And now I think it's loaded image, so I think I can use image. There's a thing like image box. To get a mix of those multiple things. You can change text. But yeah, so I don't know, be creative about it. Just try using all kinds of widgets and see what you can do, and start loading those templates and see how it's used, and trying to make your own something. That would really help you to understand Elementor. It's not, the initial part isn't hard, I don't think. You'd be like, oh, that's cool, you can do stuff like that. Like this hover effect, right? It's moving. And once you're done, not done, I mean, once you want to take a break or something, or you want to publish it, you can publish it. Like hit it, just publish. You can have a look. You can see the site, how it shows up. So this is actually the site. Yeah, so you can do stuff like that. Oh, I guess I didn't check, but my Japanese friends are here. It says Naomi-san. She says, hi, I love Elementor. Yes, she's good at it. Ah, I guess the spelling. I know sometimes like the spelling of Elementor is a little different, because the T-O-R instead of T-E-R, so. Hello, I came to see Mr. Okada. Thank you. Yeah, so like as you see though, there's so many things you can do. So that I cannot just show everything here. That's why I'm just showing you this stuff like this is possible. Yeah, and you can even do something like go advanced, motion effect, entrance animation, zoom in like this. So yeah, these things are so easy. Like text, right? You can choose a style, you can choose a color, whatever you want to. And typography. It's like a Google font here. I think there's so much more. You can choose whatever you want to. But watch out if you keep changing the font based on the section. It's gonna be heavy because it's loading something anyway. So you can change the size. You can change the weight. Yeah. You can take stroke. Oh, this is actually kind of cool. No, I don't know. I'm not a designer, so. And text shadow. See, you can do something like that. In the blend mode, if you're using Photoshop, you probably know what blend mode is. I still don't understand what blend mode is, but yeah. Yeah, and you can do something like, oh yeah, masking. Let's do masking. So masking is, well, let's add some bigger image or something. All right. Yeah, and you can move the column like this. Masking helps you to mask on. So now it's like a circle here. And you can have a flower, sketch, kind of cool, huh? There are a lot, like hexagon has a hole in the middle, but you can upload a custom and do have your own shape or something. That's also possible. But yeah, isn't it cool? I mean, if a lot of people might have already, played with this. But if you get Elementor Pro, it's gonna be so much more. So yeah. Anyway, you can update it. Then press this, and you can go back to the dashboard. And if you make a page with Elementor, on the right side it says Elementor, like this. Yeah. What else? What else does it have? Yeah, there's custom font, custom icon, custom code. These are for the new. I mean, not new, for the pro version. But yeah, I hope you can start using this. Like, I don't know, but I hope now you see the Elementor and you see why we don't have to write code. Because I used to be a web developer. I used to write code. I used to do a lot of coding, programming, HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and stuff like that. The things I just made, even some effect or masking of an image, and automatically changing the column like that. It's very, it's not something you can easily do. Of course, it's possible. Writing code, you can do anything, yeah, of course. But it's not simple sometimes, and it's much, much better that if you do this way. Honestly, the Japanese people still writing code a lot to make something so simple. But if you are making typical, corporate websites, or you're just personal website with just some like a contact form or something, and just a static site, then there's no point of writing code. just use Elementor. Elementor just really gives you this simple way to make it. And this even free version comes with this saved templates. You can create a page or a section and you can save it. Like for example, on a new, wait, I'm not sharing my screen. So I gotta go back because I got excited and went somewhere. So you go to templates, save the templates. And you can do add a new. Then you can do page, section, landing page. Don't worry about landing page. Now just say section. Super section. Create template. Then you can create your super section. Like for example, you have like 3 columns here. And you have image in the middle. You have text editor in the middle. And what else is interesting? A coding is in the middle. And you publish it, right? And if you come to this, your second Elementor page, you can say edit with Elementor. Oh yeah, this section is amazing. Then you can say press. You can press this, but now this is my template. So you press this and super section. So you insert it. Yes. So now whatever you created gets inserted there. Somehow it refreshed. And this something got broken. All right, wait, let me refresh this. I don't know what happened, but yeah, it's working now. So yeah, you can do stuff like that too. All right, anyway, so yeah, I want you to start using Elementor and play with it, because the videos I used to, or still do, publish in Japanese is all about like making websites with Elementor, mostly. Or yeah, something to enhance WordPress. That's what I do. And my plan is to start making videos like that for this channel as well. And yeah, I guess that's about it. So as I said in the beginning, I think this is probably the last YouTube live for for this purpose. I just wanted to get it out there, just start doing something. So now I think I should just make videos. So I'll start making videos. I don't know, maybe I sound like some negative person now. I'm not sure, but yeah, so that's what I'm gonna do. So I'm not gonna do YouTube live on Wednesday or Friday. Instead, I'll try to publish some videos this week. But my videos, I'm going to, so here I did Elementor, right? So next I will also explain how to, once you make a website, once you use Elementor and make a website, how to push it to the server. Sorry, I'm somehow really tired. Yeah, anyway. Also, I'm going to talk about domains and hostings, and I recommend my favorite domain, favorite hosting service for WordPress. Yeah. So those 2 videos, hosting and how to push it to the live, whatever you create. I think those 2 videos will complete this WordPress basics. And along with that, I will show you the, I'll show you some, I'll start making videos about nothing to do with what I've been doing now. Not nothing to do, but much more advanced. So it's maybe not that related, but I'll yeah, to produce or make both videos. All right, then. Yeah, somehow I'm tired. And you know, it started snowing now. I'm in Budapest, Hungary. Yeah. All right then. Thank you for watching. So not maybe see you in the videos I'm making. Maybe not a YouTube live, but in the future I'll do YouTube live again. But I'll do probably different type of YouTube live with more audience, hopefully, eventually. So anyway, thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.